How to download Vita Mahjong on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this app. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Vita Mahjong. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now here on the bottom, tap on install. So the installation has begun. So what is this game about? Basically, this is a Chinese game of checkers. Here different designs and different templates will be able to crash out and you'll be able to win the game. So it's a very puzzle game that many people enjoy. So it's getting installed and you're all done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.